Now, are you ready for this? We have mini human brains growing with blood vessels connected to the neural tissue.
So the researchers did this by essentially growing stem cells in this lovely nutrient fluid that got them to develop in a way that formed something similar to the developing cortex in the brain.
Is that creepy? Especially when you mentioned that it's the cortex. That's the really special bit where we think and we have memories, we have feelings. So we're starting to really wire up that part of the brain in this tiny brain on a dish.
Yeah, and what they found with this sort of blood vessels that were around this brain, they had genetic activity that was much more similar to what you would see in the developing cortex. And they had physical properties as well that were more similar. So yeah, as you say, potentially you might find that a bit creepy. But I would say that, you know, we're far away from being anywhere close to an actual developing brain.
But presumably more sophisticated brains in a dish is actually the goal of this research.
Yeah, so the idea is to make these brain organoids more close to what we will actually have in ourselves. But of course, you've got to be careful about how far you take that, because if it's getting too close to our brains, then of course it brings up ethical questions about what experiments we might do on these organoids.